Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to add a project in Vercel. So from your main dashboard, and if you're not here, just go your avatar on the top right and then dashboard. From here, as you can see, we have deploy your first project, and in here we have import project section. So click on import. You'll be taken to this new page, and in here, guys, you can connect, for example, your GitHub or other services. And in my case on GitHub, I have this one default as you can see, project that I can import into Vercel and add it. So just press on import. And as you can see, there's some info here, new project. And then you can just, set your settings if you wish, and then press on deploy. And this way you add your first project into your Vercel. All right, as you can see, you just deployed a new project. So this is pretty much done. And now you can go back to the dashboard, and in here you have your first project added. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and of course subscribe.